Well, hello there. I'm the old growler, Pete LaFrance. Welcome to Meeting Expectations. All right, what do we got here today? Oh, we're going across the pond today, across both ponds, I guess, in a way. Qingdao Brewery, established in 1903. Tsingtao imported premium lager. It says crafted using select malt, hops, and special yeast for a crisp, refreshing beer. Qingdao from China. Yes, sir. Okay. All right. Crystal clear, that's for sure. Nice head. Whoa, look at that. That is a perfect lager. All right. Well, let's check out the temperature. And we come in at a 51. So it's a little bit warm for a lager, but that just means that the flavors will probably come out a little bit more intense, as well as the aromatics. Okay, well, cheers. Yeah, I took 2 sips. As I said, it's 2:30 in the afternoon. My taste buds are on siesta, so they had to be woke. Well, they're woke now. It's going for a nosedive. Well, I'm actually getting a slight hoppy flavor aroma on that. It's a floral. It's not one of the. It's kind of a. If you take after you've mown a lawn, you take the green grass and you kind of rub it on your hands and smell it. That's pretty much what I got. Yeah. All right. Well, let's see what the taste buds think about that. No surprises. There's a grainy, kind of a bread crust flavor to it. And the hops are very delicate. I mean, very delicate. But so is the malt. It's just a touch of the flavors there. So, as far as the balance goes, it's a well-balanced beer. There's no doubt about it. It's a lager beer. It's got that clearness to it. It's got a slight crispness to it. However, the finish has got just a touch of sweetness. I mean, just a very, very touch on the top of the palate. There's just a slight sweetness on it. So that's about the flavors that I am getting. Oh, now are we going to rate it? It certainly met expectations, a 3. There's no doubt about that. But the balance on it is kind of nice. So I'm going to give it a 3.5.